Esperance is a remote part of WA, famous for stunning beaches and a healthy outdoor lifestyle. And the locals are keen for you to visit and see how really good it is.
So fishing, four-wheel driving, beaching, camping, whatever. It's all here in Esperance. If you're into four-wheel driving, no matter what level you are, there is something for you in Esperance.
So today I'm joined with four-wheel drive enthusiast Taryn and also the family, and you're going to show me the ropes on four-wheel driving in Esperance.
Yeah, we're just going to head up the beach and have a look at a few of the beaches and the blue water, and we might head up to Cape Legrand at the end.
Sounds good, and I think for payment today I might actually cook Taryn and the family lunch. How's that sound?
Yay!
First, I have to let some air out of the tyres. The sand I'll be driving on today isn't too soft, so I should be right dropping my tyre pressure to around 20 psi. Now this is what Esperance is absolutely famous for. Stunning beaches and beautiful water. The drive to Lucky Bay is about 60 kilometres along the beach. Just when I'm thinking it's all pretty easy, Taryn tells me we're going to drive up this, the massive Wiley Bay Rock. So Taryn, this looks like a pretty big hill, mate. Any tips on getting up this one?
Yeah, we're just going to take it slowly. We're going to put it in full low first, and we'll just crawl slowly up to the top.
This is really a lot steeper than I thought. Wow. I've never done anything like this before. How good is this? Woohoo! I've made it all the way to the top.
How good's the view?
Yeah, the view's amazing.
Well, I think Josh was a bit nervous. He was saying, "Oh, I don't think I've done anything this steep before."
And now it's time to head down and push on to Lucky Bay. Here we are at Lucky Bay.
This is a pretty amazing place. It's got amazing rock formations. It's got the kangaroos on the beach. They just come out for a drink of the fresh water that comes out underneath the sand here. It seeps out under the sand.
Have you seen a kangaroo before?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, on the roads, but not here in the beach.
No, never on the beach.
So what do you think about the beaches?
I think Australia got the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Well, the kids are hitting the water and it's time for me to cook up some lunch. Today I'm going to make some chicken tacos with fresh chicken tenderloins. A quick, easy and very tasty lunch made right here on the beach. First, I get the tenderloins on the hot plate and sizzling away. By the time the kids have caught a couple of waves and the tourists have snapped a few photos of the friendly locals, lunch is moments away from being ready. So now the chicken's cooked nicely, all we need to do is assemble our tacos. A little bit of sauce down the bottom and then top up our tacos with this beautiful chicken. And now all I need to do is find some happy campers. Here we are, guys. Lunch is served.
Thank you.
Look at that, there's even one for me. So a big thanks to Taryn and his family for bringing me out to Lucky Bay. The four-wheel driving was really good fun, and seeing the kangaroos on the beach is really awesome. If you want to know more, head to the Shire of Esperance website.